What if you could create music from text? We'll install MusicGen Audio Generator that composes music from your prompts. Before starting, make sure your system has Python and NVIDIA GPU. First, we will go to the Hugging Face main page and click on Run Locally. We will clone the repository as in the video. Then we will create virtual environment and activate it. Next, I will install PyTorch library. I will check current CUDA version and install PyTorch according to CUDA version. We will edit a little bit in the requirement file. We will delete the torch line and add the spaces line.
Now we will run the requirements installation. We will run the app. Now I will create a bat file to run the app next time. You just need to create a text file and type the code lines I left in the description, then save it and change the file extension to .bat.
We will edit in the app file. We will add in browser equals true. Now I will demo for you. We just need to enter prompt and submit.
That's it. You've created your first AI song. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorial.